Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin by confirming eligibility, Roblox Premium or the current rollout for profile themes. Open Roblox on a desktop browser because the web interface exposes the profile theme controls. The mobile app often hides them. Once logged in and your email verified, navigate to your profile by clicking your avatar or username. Make sure to choose the account you want to edit. You will need premium or permission from a group-locked feature to proceed. This step unlocks the profile editor required for themes. You now open the profile editor. Click Edit Profile and select Profile Themes or Customize Profile. From there, browse the available themes and hover over options to preview how backgrounds and accents change. This helps you compare before committing. Once you pick a theme, adjust customizable elements like accent color, background image, and any music or animation the theme offers. Make sure to save changes. Unsaved edits will revert. This step shapes the visible profile identity other users see. You finish by applying and saving the theme, then refresh your profile to confirm it displays correctly to visitors. If the theme does not appear, make sure you saved, clear your browser cache, or try a different browser. Occasionally, extensions block scripts. Also double-check your premium or eligibility status, since restrictions cause failures. If problems persist, gather screenshots and error details and contact Roblox support, providing clear info speeds resolution. That single troubleshooting step usually fixes most issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.